Welcome to the Radio of the Month series. This month, our staff has chosen the Motorola R2 two-way radio. This Motorola handheld is an analog-digital solution, which offers durability and long-lasting communications for teams operating within harsh environments. With an IP55 rating and built to military standards, the MOTOTRBO R2 can withstand dust and water ingress in order to provide all-day reliability. A battery life of between 19.5 to 22.5 hours ensures that your communications remain consistent when charged properly, and that they last an entire shift and longer. Durable and lightweight, this handheld two-way radio shines in noisy work environments. With sync plus noise cancellation, workers can transmit and receive messages clearly without feedback or background noises. Also, 64 channels allow teams to communicate efficiently while on the job. This affordable solution for two-way radio communications is a great option for those migrating over to a new digital system, or for those who simply would like to upgrade their digital fleet. The Motorola MOTOTRBO R2 helps to manage your day-to-day operations without skipping a beat. For more information on the Motorola MOTOTRBO R2 two-way radio, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will get back with you. Stay tuned to watch for our newest featured products, or comment on which radio you would like to nominate as the next Radio of the Month.